my channel. So today's video, it's about the foot mask that I got from Amazon. I've been using this on my feet. As they advertised, it's supposed to give you the baby feet, the smooth skin and everything. So that's what I'm going for, and that's what I hope the end result is, really. So yeah, I heard about the benefits as well. Exfoliate your skin, moisturize the dry skin, and makes your feet peel a lot through the 14 days, and also gets rid of the dry skin and the colors on your feet. It will take about 2 weeks, so every day I'll be doing an update on my feet to just check if it's peeling like it should be, and to keep you guys as well update. So yeah, let's get this video started. Here I have everything that I will need to carry on and do the foot mask. So first of all, you need the foot mask. You need some scissors to open, and a calendar just to check the 2 weeks, and also to write down every day to remember to soak your feet for a few minutes, so it makes the peeling way faster. Like, it happens way faster when you soak your feet every day. And also you will need a place with water to soak your feet and wash your feet first. So, and also you need a phone with a timer, and you can put it for like 40 minutes to 1 hour. Also, before I start doing that, I'm just gonna show you guys, just in case you think that I already have baby feet or something like that, which I definitely don't, which is embarrassing, but I have to show you guys what I want to improve. It's the colors on my little toe, and also the dry skin on the heel here on the back of my feet. It's really dry, so I really want to see the peeling process, if it's gonna work, and I hope it does peel a lot. And also moisturize my feet, because I have also hard skin just down here, and I really want to improve that. So let's start by soaking the feet. So this water, I have water inside here and it's warm. Just pop my hand in there and wash my feet. After you wash your feet, make sure you dry them very well. Okay. So my feet is dry now. I don't know if you can see the dry skin like that. Okay, so next step is to gently tear apart the mask along the seam. So just right here on the sides, it tells you where to cut. Okay, so now it's open. Let's take this off. That's how it looks. Like 2 socks. Okay, so now you have to cut again, just where it says here on the green line, both of them. And after cutting, you just need to wear them as if you're wearing a sock. Okay, this feels weird. Yeah, it's wet, but at the same time it feels like comfy. Weird and comfy at the same time. But it's just because of the liquid inside. So you pop the other one, just like wearing socks. So guys, this was supposed to come with a peel and seal sticker, but I can't see anywhere the peel and seal sticker really, because I think it was supposed to be to close like that. Just make sure. So now you need to grab your phone and set the timer for, you can choose 45 minutes to 1 hour. I will try the 1 hour. So I'm gonna start now. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna put the timer on 1 hour starting from now. And now it's just the waiting game. So guys, my time is up. Yes, so now I can remove the foot mask. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see what's the outcome, seriously. Okay, so here you go. It looks creepy, I know. And now what I have to do after I remove the socks is to wash my feet. So don't forget to wash your feet. Just gonna pop inside the water. So yeah, just gonna wash my feet with my hands. Okay, this actually smells good. It's the it does smells like lavender. And don't forget to dry your feet again. And now we just gotta wait for the peeling to start, and I will keep you guys updated through the whole journey. Hi guys, like I told you before, I would keep you guys updated, and today is day 7, and look, my feet start peeling. I keep soaking my feet since day 1 in very hot water. Hi guys, so today is day 9 of the update. So here it is, my feet, and as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see properly. It's not. My feet, like I just soaked my feet with warm water, and I didn't put any cream, so you guys can see properly the peeling. Can you see here this massive skin peeling just coming up? I'm not touching it, I'm just leaving it like that. So yeah, day 9. I haven't filmed the other days because nothing much happened really. I'm just gonna film to update you guys when I see major stuff happening. So yeah, day 9. That's it guys. Hi guys, today is day 11 of the update, and this is how my toes, underneath my toes, looking right now. So as you can see, it's peeling like I wanted on my toes. But when you come down here, I don't know if you can see properly, but it's peeling as well. And also down here, it's peeling. But what I really wanted is the whole feet to peel like this. But yeah, making progress. Hi guys, so it's day 14, the last day of the update. It's been 2 weeks now, and as you can see, my feet still peeling. Can you see the difference, different color where it's peeling and where it's already done peeling? It actually feels smooth, the places where it's done peeling. So now it's peeling on the top. I believe this will take a whole month to just finish peeling. I'm still soaking my feet, and I will keep doing that until I see the whole peeling process is finished, really. So yeah, like I said, it's the last day of the update, and I must say that I will be buying again this foot mask. Not the same brand, different brands, so I can give it a go with different brands and see how it goes. And this is my foot, still peeling. So underneath, as you can see, it finished peeling underneath my toes, and now I'm left with the soft skin. But in some areas, like here, I can still feel the dry skin. It didn't peel much, but here used to be really hard. The dry skin used to be hard. So now I believe if I go with the exfoliator, I can just easily take this off. When I do my pedicure at home, I can just easily take this off. And yes, still peeling a bit here too. So yeah, definitely will take more than 2 weeks. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Leave a comment. I would like to know your opinions about this foot mask, if you think it's a waste of time or if you could give it a go. And yes, and leave thumbs up. Have a wonderful day. Bye guys.